Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys Infinix phone guys font size guys, how can we decrease? Friends, we want to decrease guys your Infinix phone guys font size. So guys, how can you decrease? Today friends, I will show you, I will tell you guys. So first of all, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see how can we decrease Infinix phone font size. Open your phone setting and guys scroll it. Friends, you can see guys this type of setting. Friends, click on font display and brightness, then guys you can decrease guys your font size from here. So guys we will tap here to decrease. So friends, left side guys, this A option guys, you will have to tap here 2 times, then guys your font size will decrease. This small size guys set. Friends, you can see guys your font size will decrease. So like that guys, you can decrease guys your Infinix One iPhone font size. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to decrease Infinix phone font size. So bye guys, we will meet on next video.